Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose for making this video is to analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, and we are also going to be framing a view for tomorrow, that is 27th January. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. But first, I would be starting by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. If we analyze Nifty options open interest data, you will see that option max pain level has shifted lower from 14,400 levels to 14,300 level. So this is the monthly expiry contract, 28th January. So if market was to expire around 14,250 to 14,350 levels, then option writers at 14,300 strike are going to suffer the least amount of losses, theoretically speaking. If we analyze overall options open interest data for the monthly expiry 28th January, here you will see that overall highest amount of open interest in calls is at 14,500 strike, followed by 14,400 strike. And if we see the puts, highest amount of open interest is at 14,300 strike, followed by 14,000 strike. So overall, for the next 2 days, we are in a trading range of 14,000 to 14,500 levels based on the overall open interest data. If we analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers as it is trading above its open 13,996. And if we see the weekly open, here you will see that we are currently under control of sellers. So straight away there is conflict among monthly and the weekly time frame. And here you will also see that last week was an outside candle, and we are now expanding on the downside, and below last weekly lows, we can potentially trade even lower. And if we see the daily time frame, here you will see that in terms of price structure, we are making lower lows and lower highs. So we are in a downtrend. So based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for 27th January. Above 14,238 levels, we can trade towards 14,374, 14,491 and potentially 14,564 levels. And on the flip side, below 14,218, we can trade towards 14,145 and 14,052 level and potentially 13,965 levels. So basically, it is also corroborating the options open interest data, which suggests that on the upside, highest amount of open interest in calls is at 14,500, and in puts, highest amount of open interest is at 14,000 strike. And conservative traders, they can refrain from making any trades in between 14,238 to 14,218 levels. Now we would be discussing our stock watch list. Stocks that we would be trading on Wednesday are Biocon, ICICI Bank and SBI Life. And if we see Biocon on monthly time frame, it is under control of sellers as it is trading below its open. And if we see the weekly time frame, it is basically an inside week so far, and we are trading below the weekly open as well. And on the daily time frame, you will see that we have formed an inside candle. So below 377.6 levels, we'll look for selling opportunity in Biocon, and we would potentially get full time frame continuity to the downside. Our second stock is ICICI Bank. So on the monthly time frame, we are under control of buyers right now as it is trading above its monthly open, and on the weekly time frame, it's again an inside weekly candle so far, but it is under control of buyers. And if we see the daily time frame, we have made an inside candle. on the daily time frame. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 542.4 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 531.1 levels. And in between the high low range, we'll not be making any trade in ICICI Bank. And our final stock is SBI Life. On the monthly time frame, it is under control of sellers, and if we see the weekly time frame, we are slightly under control of sellers as well, although we are forming an inside week so far. And on the daily time frame, we again had an inside day. So what we'll do is we'll look for selling opportunity below 852.9 levels to sell in SBI Life. And once we start trading below 852.9 levels, we would have a situation in which all the time frames would be under control of sellers. I would like to summarize that tomorrow above 14,238 levels, we can trade towards 14,374, 14,491, and potentially 14,564 levels. And below 14,218 levels, we can trade towards 14,145, 14,052, and potentially 13,965 levels. And our stock watch list comprises of inside candles on the daily time frame. Stocks are Biocon, SBI Life, ICICI Bank. Inside candles, they are formed when there's an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So we'll look for breakout from either side of the range to establish our positions. And finally, I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Do check out the description section of this video. There you would be able to find link to all our recent blog posts. And once again, thank you for listening. Do subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and share this video. Thank you.